Top 5 Kitchen Appliance Brands. If you want to make your luxury cooking life easy and enjoyable, you need to know about the brands whose appliances will never disappoint you. These brands make their products more usable according to their customers' special requirements. Check out the top 5 best kitchen appliance brands in 2021. At number 5, Frigidaire. One of the top brands in the world for kitchen appliances and a division of Electrolux. This self-contained refrigerator has been invented by this brand in 1916, and many people calls the refrigerator as fridge, which has actually come from its brand name Frigidaire. Frigidaire worked hard for their products' developments. For the space problems, they have space-saving refrigerators, ranges, ovens, cooktops, microwaves, and dishwashers. At number 4, KitchenAid. KitchenAid is one of the best kitchen appliance brands in 2021. KitchenAid, the American brand, has celebrated their centennial in 2021. At KitchenAid, the finish is just the beginning. They boast major appliance projects such as refrigerators, dishwashers, ranges, wall ovens, cooktops, under-counter refrigerator, hoods and vents, and disposables and compactors. At number 3, Samsung. Inspired by chefs, created for you. Samsung is widely popular and one of the best kitchen appliance brands in the world. It is the best-selling brand, and My Technology advances kitchen appliance products. If you have a larger space and enough money to pay for their various products, then their products are perfect for you. It's your space and it's your style. Their kitchen line include the following: refrigerators, ranges, dishwashers, wall ovens, cooktops, and microwaves. At number 2, LG. LG is considered one of the top kitchen appliance brands in the world for their comfortable products. LG produced the first refrigerators and washing machines in South Korea. LG has always thought about their customers. Their present logo is "Life is Good." With LG kitchen and cooking appliances, you can turn the heart of your home into a more beautiful, more functional, and more energy-efficient place. A recent J.D. Power report had LG rated as their #1 manufacturer of washers, dryers, range ovens, and refrigerators. And at number 1, Whirlpool. Whirlpool is the most reliable and best kitchen appliance brand in the world. It is the leading multinational manufacturing and marketing company in household appliances. Whether it's stocking the fridge with their favorite meals, baking cookies for an afternoon snack, or enjoying a home-cooked meal, the smallest daily tasks show your family you care. That's why Whirlpool thoughtfully designed kitchen appliances to help keep your day moving smoothly. Find the replacement refrigerator, dishwasher, range, cooktop, hood, freezer, or microwave you need so you don't miss a step. Whirlpool was determined to be the most reliable household appliance brand. Out of the 6,000 plus units that they sold last calendar year, less than 5% of them required repair services down the road. Whirlpool also received rave reviews for their customer service. Investing in new kitchen appliances is a big step, so whether your personal preference is centered on design and style or on food and entertainment, select a kitchen appliance brand that complements your lifestyle.